Hello and welcome. This is Sandeep Thakkar and you are watching It's Tomorrow News. The first blizzard of this season resulted in a widespread power outage and downed trees in parts of Montana. Now, treacherous travel conditions and additional power outage were also observed across other portions of the northern and central Rockies as an early season snowstorm swept through the region. According to the National Weather Service in Great Falls, Montana, this storm was effectively a blizzard in the Havre area, especially considering the severe impacts. A blizzard occurs when the following conditions are met for at least 3 consecutive hours: sustained wind or frequent gusts to at least 35 miles per hour, and considerable falling and blowing snow that frequently reduces visibility to less than a quarter mile. Interstate 70 was closed in Colorado between Vail and Copper Mountain for a time Monday morning due to accidents and vehicles sliding off the icy road. Shelters were open to take in standard travelers in the area. While Calgary was expected to receive up to 10 centimeters of snow Monday, a snowfall warning for Cardston, Crow's Nest Pass, and Kananaskis was issued with a forecast of as much as 20 centimeters before the day was finished. Loveland Ski area provided this image showing how the snow had piled up on the measuring platform at an elevation of 10,894 feet before power was knocked out there. More than a foot of snow had been measured at the location by early Monday. The Trans-Canada Highway east of Calgary was also in rough shape and by late morning was closed from the city to Bassano so crew could clear snow. Havre, Montana had seen 13 inches of heavyweight snow as of late Tuesday afternoon, which set a new record for the heaviest 2-day October snowfall total at the Havre City Country Airport. The previous 2-day October record was 12.6 inches, which was set in 1989. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Sandeep Thakkar.